Welcome to MacTag TV. We are here to present you the new collection of Tadashi Shoji style number YV785L, which is this beautiful dress. It comes in different colors. It's actually one of my favorite dress. It's very modern, very different than any other gowns you will see in the market. This is going to be the lighter colored. I believe it's the beige color. It's actually very pretty. It's going to be a higher neckline and it's going to be a very sexy look. Although it's completely covered, it has this really sexy effect of they did an underlay of beige so it matches your skin tone, and then they covered it of jewelry. It's like you're wearing a very nice necklace. And then on the side as well you have this beautiful mirror work, which everyone knows right now mirror work are really in. And there's actually a layer of tulle protecting the mirrors, which actually gives a very luxurious effect. I love that dress. And then the fabric is going to be ruched and crisscrosses in the middle and falls down, actually giving a very nice and forgiving figure to whoever. Actually, Nikki, you look amazing, but if you are like a much bigger size, you actually are going to look amazing in that dress. So turn around and let's show the back. The back of this dress is absolutely amazing. First of all, you have the mirror working all the way, again, their way to the back. You have invisible zipper line. And then what I love about this dress is the back of the dress. Very dramatic, showing off your back all the way down. And then right here you have this clip keeping you secure. And it's actually going to look great on. The back is a very Hollywood style look. It's going to be ruched on the side again, showing off your curves, and then going to fall down on a train, which is very silky and very flowy. So let's walk, Nikki, and show how this beautiful Tadashi dress flows. So this Tadashi YV785L is one of my favorite collection and one of my favorite dresses. So let's talk about how we accessorize this dress. We actually, our stylists picked these gorgeous earrings from the TK collection. The TK collection is inspired celebrity accessories only, and these are these gorgeous Rashida earrings in the silver, and the way the crystals are cut out, it's called the mirror crystal cutout, and it's going to bring out the mirrors of that dress up to the face. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you have any questions of how to accessorize this dress, you can always call us or email us or contact us on www.mactagmart.com. Thank you.